Good day everyone, you are welcome to this video tutorial. I am Barak Mohammed. In this video section, we'll be designing the introduction flyer on my Pixellab interface. So it's just a flyer that shows your picture and how it can be contacted. Don't worry, it's not that hard, it's very simple. Just follow the rules and the procedures. I bet it with you, you will get it. So yeah, the first thing is I will need to bring in the image that I will be using for the design. That's my image. I'll need to bring that from my gallery. Yeah, that's it. Let me hide this first. Yeah, this is the image I'm using for this design. Let me just centralize it. So yeah, the first thing in this thing is to bring the image, and which you have done. Next is to go to your shape and bring up a circle shape. Bring up a circle shape of this stuff. Centralize it, and change the color to the color you want to be at the back of the guide. Let me use this color. Then copy that, change the color to white. That is, disenable the color. You get it? Disenable the color. Then go to your centralize again, centralize it once again. Once you've done that, go to your back end here and hide the first circle that you gave the color. Then next is go to your shape, then bring up a shape of this sort to cover the downside of the guy. Centralize that also and change the color of that to black. Change the color of that to black. Once you've done that, go to your back end and bring the second circle, bring it up. You get it? Bring it up. Then the next thing is you need to match this second circle and the shape, the black shape. So go to your back end, press on this button down here, press on the circle and the shape that you want to match, and press on this button. Once you press on it, are you sure you want to match the selected object? Yes. Okay. Once you've done that, it is matched together. So once you move this thing, you see it, and the box as entails the whole circle and the shape. Then the next thing you need to do now is go to your erase color. Go to your erase color and erase the white of it. You get it? Once you've done that, go to your tolerance and give it 15 or 20. 20 tolerance is okay. No. Give it 10. Give it 10. Give your tolerance 10. Yeah, once you've done that, the next thing you need to do now is that you need to merge this image, that's your image, and that black shape. Then go to your back end here, press on this button again, merge the two together. So once you've merged that, you see how it looks up now. Then the next thing now is go to your erase color again, then erase the black. Pick up, once you see that once I press on erase color, it is erasing my image a bit. So you just go to this pen. It looks like an ink something. We call it the color picker. Just press on it, then press on the black, mark it. It has erased off the black and reduce its tolerance maybe 5 or 6. That's okay. Then the next thing you need to do now is you mark it and go to your back end again and enable this. Wow, you see how it works? That's it. Very simple. You enable it, that's very simple. Then lastly, before you go, you need to merge up the circle and your image once again. Merge it up once again, so that it can be very easy to move around. You see, wow, it's very easy to move around. You can enlarge it, so that's it. Then you need to, the one thing I did in this design, let me move it up so that you can see to front. You see there's like a stroke or a line around it. So it's very simple to do that. So what I did is just go to your shape, bring up a circle. Once you bring up a circle, increase its size a bit. Then go to your opacity, reduce it to 0, and give it a stroke of 2. As simple as that. Designing is simple once you know its procedures. Very simple. Once you mark it, then you can actually centralize it and make it up and fix it up in the design. So you change the color to this and you take it to the back. Simple. So let me quickly move this one up a bit. Let me move this up, then bring in the shape. that is down there. Yes, that's it. Centralize that, then change the color to the color you are using already. Then what else in this design? Okay, the name and what I do. Then go to your plus button up here. That is the text. Then you can put in your name. Yeah, you can actually put in your name. I think 30 is okay, or 25 something. 30 is okay. So put in your name. I think the font I used here is if I can actually remember the name of the font again. It's not Nevis though. It's not Nevis. I don't think I actually remember the name of the font, but we can use one font here. This one is font very brown. So you can centralize it and copy that. You can copy it and edit it again. Oh, sorry. You can actually copy it and edit it to whatever you want it to be. Creative designer. So once you've done that, you can reduce the size of this one a bit so that it doesn't. You see? Move this one. Oh, sorry. I've not matched this and this. You can actually match them together, or even if you don't want to match and you want to move both, once you press on that, instead of pressing the match, you can press on this and press on this, so you move both together at once. So this one has been moved. Then the name and the creative designer. Yeah, so the next thing in this design is how we can get contacted. Haven't you seen this? Sorry, I don't know why my phone is doing like this. I don't think I had this thing. Okay, I know what happens. Yeah, this is it. So yeah, one thing I did in this is the background, right? The background. So I just have that template on my gallery. So the only thing I did is I just bring it up. So right now I'll be finding it because I'll be finding where I kept it. Kindly bear with me in finding this. Or you can actually use I'll find it. Don't worry about that. Okay, let me use this thing. Let me use this background. Just go to 1:1 and increase its size. Once you increase size, take it to the back and bring up a shape again. That's white shape. Cover it up. Go to your relative position and centralize it and take it to the back, to the last back. Then bring this. Just long press on this side. Just long press on it and take it down. Then you can actually press on the white shape and decrease its opacity so that the other one can be visible. So and always remember to lock your work so that it doesn't move around while you're doing other things. Remember to lock your work always. So yeah, what's next in this design is the Facebook and the number and the rest of the things. So kindly bear with me. I will need to reduce their size. I'm giving it 2:3:3. Yeah, this is why I'm giving this all the things. So this one 2:3:3, as well as every one of them. This one also, as well as this. Yeah, WhatsApp next. And lastly, Facebook. So once I've done that, the next thing I will need to centralize all of them. I'll need to centralize all of them. Let's move everything to center. Your relative position is the best place to centralize anything you want to put in the center of your design. So just go straight to your relative position and centralize there. So once I've done that, the next thing is I want to give you these things. I want to give them stroke. That is stroke. So starting from this Telegram, a stroke of 2 white. That's okay. Then to Twitter, a stroke of 2 white. It's okay. Then to Pinterest, a stroke of 2 white. To Instagram, a stroke of 2 white. No. To LinkedIn, a stroke of 2 white. To WhatsApp, a stroke of 2 white as well. And lastly to Facebook, a stroke of 2 white. So once I've done that, I want to position them very well so that they can lay the way I lay them in this design. So just follow the process. Press on your back end here, then click on the things you want to move. So I'll be moving LinkedIn, Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and Telegram. So just press on this button down here and press on Shift. So you've done that. The next thing is what is starting from 1, 2, 3, 4. Just press on this, press on the things you want to move and move it right there. And lastly to this guy, yeah, I think I've done that. Then I want to move them down to the center. So you click on things you want to move, like you want to move, first, before I do that, okay, let me move them. So I'll click on Facebook. I'm leaving WhatsApp because WhatsApp is below with the number. LinkedIn, Instagram, Twitter, and so centralize and take it downward. Once I've done that, click on again, then your nudge button, that is position. So you can just actually move it up like this by moving the 3. So yeah, the next thing I do is the WhatsApp. So first I'll bring in my number. So the text I'm copying is creative design. Copy that, then input in your number there. That's so okay. This is how I wrote it. Okay, plus 2, 3, 4. Put in your number there and reduce its size very well. I think I use 15 in this design or something like that. 18 is actually okay. So let me just shift it well so that it can be beside the WhatsApp. You get, so it can be beside the WhatsApp. Then you move the number and the WhatsApp together. Move them downward to the center and to down. Then after that, move them and align them, position them very well below the ones we did already. So then I can actually move all the things so that I can position them very well. So that's it. So if you look at this thing I'm doing, let me change my creative design color and also the name. So if you look at this, it's almost the same thing, just the background that is a bit different. So you're actually using your image and your name. So you can write creative designer also, so that you would probably learn how to do this. It's very simple. Just watch the video over and over if you don't get it the first time. Trust me, you save as project first. You save as project, so you're actually saving it as introduction flyer. Then you can actually save as image, and always remember to save as ultra always. Save as ultra always. So once you've done that, it will be saved on your gallery. See you in the next video.